Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap East Whittier local and long-distance movers near me. Using our long-distance movers, you get the solutions you need for a much easier move. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the country, we're here to help you. Our moving solutions give you all the right choices to individualize your move for your specific needs. Working with us means you receive access to all the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company offers many benefits which can make it well worth the expense. You gain the advantage of saving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't need to stress over injury because you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of professional movers are going to ensure your move is quite efficient. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 movers simply because we improve your whole entire move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our team can handle even a huge move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Whittier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.